Good morning student, myself Pankaj Kumar and welcome to my class. Today we are going to start chapter 9 logo and advanced learning. In this chapter we will see some basic commands and mathematical tasks which we can perform. Okay, so let's start. First and very important, what is logo? So logo is a programming language specially designed for the graphical programming. Logo is a programming language specially designed for the graphical programming. Okay, with the help of this logo programming we can draw square, rectangle, triangle, some alphabet, etc. Okay, next, what is logo turtle? This also very important. What is logo turtle? On logo screen a triangle appears in the middle of the screen is called logo turtle. Okay, on logo screen a triangle appears in the middle of the screen is called logo turtle. The point which is facing the upper side of the screen is called nose or head of the turtle, and the bottom part is its tail or back. Now let me show you the logo screen. So this is the logo screen and here you can see the triangle icon and this is in the center. Okay, and this is facing upside. Okay, so this is nose or head we can say, or this is back or tail. Okay, this is back or tail. So this is what, this is turtle on logo screen. Understood? Then we have some commands which we have to understand for writing the program. Okay, so first we have forward or FD command. This command helps the turtle to move in forward direction. This command helps the turtle to move in forward direction. And syntax you can see FD, then space, then number of steps. An example you can see FD, then space, then number of steps. Okay, now let me show you the practical. Suppose you want this turtle move in forward direction. Forward direction, that means nose position. Right now you can see this side. Okay, that means this is the forward direction and this is the backward direction. Okay, so I'm giving here FT 90. Now I'm going to execute this program. So either you click on this execute button or press enter button from the keyboard. So now I'm going to click on this execute button and you see the result. You see the turtle where this turtle is moving. Now you can see the turtle moved in forward direction by 90 step. Understood? By 90 step. Okay, understood this one? So this is the use of forward direction. Again, if I give forward 90, now you can see again it moved. Understood? Then we have back or BK command. Back or BK command. This command helps the turtle to move in backward direction. This command helps the turtle to move in backward direction. This is the syntax BK, then space, then number of steps. Example you can see BK, then space by then number of steps. Okay, now let me give you example. Right now you can see the turtle position. First let me move this turtle in forward direction. Okay, I've given command FD90. Okay, the turtle moved by 90 step in forward direction. Now I'm going to give BK command 40 step. Okay, now I'm given backward command. Okay, now let me execute. Now you can see the turtle came back. Turtle came back by 40 steps. So this is the use of BK command. Understood? Again, if you give BK 20, then you can give C. Understood? So this is the use of BK command or back command. Then we have right or RT command. This command make the turtle turn towards right. If you want the nose if you want to turn the nose position of the turtle in right side, then you have to give RT command. Okay, if you want to turn the nose position of the turtle in right side, then you have to give either right command or RT command. Okay, here you can see the syntax RT, then space, then number of degrees. RT, then space, then number of degree. Example you can see RT, then space, then 90, and we can rotate the turtle to maximum 360 degree. 360 degree. Let me show you the example. First let me give FD command, FD90, then I'm going to give, right now you can see the nose position upside. Now if you want to change the nose position of this turtle right side, then you have to give here RT 90 degree. I'm giving here 90 degree. Okay, now I'm going to execute and you see the result. Now you can see, okay, now you can see the nose position right now this side. Okay, now give FD like this. If you want to draw the shape like this, then you have to use this RT command. Understood? Then we have left or LT command. This command make the turtle turns towards left, anti-clockwise direction. We can rotate the turtle to maximum 360 degrees. Syntax you can see LT, then space, number of degrees. An example you can see LT 90. Now see the practical. Right now you can see the nose position this side. This side is right side and this side is left side. Okay, now if you want to change the nose position in left side, then what you have to do, you have to give LT command, LT 90. Now you can see the nose position this side. Now give your FD command. Now if you want to draw the shape like this, then you can use LT command. Okay, so this is the use of RT and LT command. Now home command. Home command brings the turtle back to its starting position. Whatever the current position of the turtle is, it goes to the center of the screen, because center is the starting position of turtle. Okay, with the head pointing upward. With the head pointing upward. Let me show you the practical. Right now you can see the turtle position here and the nose position this side. Okay, now if I give home command, then this turtle will come to the center position or the starting position. Okay, now I'm going to execute this home command I have given here. Now you can see the turtle position came to the center position. Okay, understood? And the nose position you can see upside. So this is the use of home command. Okay, then we have clear screen or CS command. This command clear the drawing on the screen and bring the turtle back to home position. This command clear the drawing. Clear the drawing. Whatever drawing is there on the screen, everything will be erased. Okay, now let me use CS command. This is the CS command. I'm going to execute. Now you can see everything is gone. Okay, and the turtle came to the starting position, or we can say in home position. Understood? So this is the use of CS command. CS command help us to erase the drawing. Okay, help us to erase or clear the drawing. Understood? Then we have hide turtle. This help us to hide the turtle from the screen, and the syntax is hide turtle or HT. So either we have to write hide turtle or HT. Understood? Then we have show turtle. This help us to show the turtle on the screen, and the syntax is show turtle or ST. So this show turtle help us to show the turtle on the screen. Now let me show you the use of hide turtle or show turtle. Okay, suppose you want to draw square on the logo screen. For that you have to give FD 90. This is step you can change according to your desire. Okay, I'm giving here. Okay, let me take 70 or 100. Okay, FD 100. And for a square and rectangle we need RT command with 90 degree. Okay, to change the nose position of the turtle. Okay, now again give FD 100, then again RT 90 degree, then again FD 100, then again RT 90, then again FD 100. Okay, now you can see this is the square, but here you can see the turtle. Now you have to hide this turtle by giving HT command. Now you can see the command here, HT. Now execute this. Now you can see, okay, turtle disappear from the screen. Okay, now if you want to show the turtle, then again you have to give here ST command. Okay, now execute this. Now turtle came. Now again if you want to hide, then give HT command, gone. If you want to show, then give ST command, came. Okay, so this is the use of ST and HT command: show turtle, hide turtle, and show turtle. Okay, so children, today whatever I have discussed with you, I hope each and everything is clear to you. Thank you.